Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm. I'm sure you've heard about Broadforks. Even if you haven't, doesn't matter. I'm talking about when to Broadfork. When do we Broadfork? Well, over the years, we Broadfork less and less and less. I mean, we've been farming here 15 years on this spot. It doesn't really need it anymore. But we still do it once in a while. And when we do it especially in the spring before we add amendments, because that enables us to get amendments down into those beautiful holes. But make sure you got a Broadfork that has round tines that are nice and thick, so that when you're aerating the soil, you get air and amendments down in there. You want a Broadfork carrot beds. Carrot beds nice to be loose. So before we seed carrots, a Broadforking is good. Another time we use a Broadfork, harvesting carrots or harvesting other root crops. Then we go to the edge of the bed, not to damage them, right? Go straight down all the way, and then just give it a little bit of a lift. Then the carrots come out real nice. And this is perfectly fine Broadfork for that. You don't need a special Broadfork. The last time I'd say when we do it is early in farming, when you're still trying to get that soil right. Because healthy soil over time will be loose on its own. It won't necessarily need to be Broadfork to be loosened. But early on, you're gonna have to loosen it somewhat to keep it nice and loose, to keep the air in the soil, because that's what we're doing. And that's why, the Broadfork, you wanna make sure it's got nice, big, round tines, because you wanna get air down in there for the life of the soil. Things aren't gonna happen in the soil without that air, it needs it. So that's why you're getting rid of compaction on new soil, early soils. Okay? All right, so I hope that's helpful. Until next time.